Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken wings in the Weber kettle. And then later on in the video, we're going to make a jalapeno lime sauce to go with them. All right, so we're going to be using the standard 57 centimeter Weber kettle. We'll start by taking our lid off, then we'll remove our cooking grate. We'll put our charcoal baskets to one side. We'll get a couple of firelighters going. We'll get our charcoal chimney on top. Then you want to fill that up with either lump charcoal or briquettes. And now we've got about 10 to 15 minutes before those briquettes are going to be ready. We want them to be ashed over and red hot before we dump them in. So while they're getting started, we'll season these chicken wings. All right, so before we season our chicken wings, we're just going to get them down on some paper towel. We're going to pat them dry. And we're going to transfer them into a mixing bowl. Then we're just going to give them a nice light coat in some olive oil. This is going to help give us them nice crispy chicken wings, and it's also going to help our rub stick to the meat. And we're going to take half of them out. Then we're going to season half of them in a quick and easy homemade rub. That's just a teaspoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of cracked black pepper, and a tablespoon and a half of smoked paprika. We just want to mix that around, and then we'll season our chicken wings that are in the bowl. Make sure they've got a nice good coating on them. Then we'll take them out, put our unseasoned wings in, and we're going to season them ones in our garlic gulls rub. All right, now our wings are seasoned. We'll get them on this cutting board. Put this bowl upside down on top of them to keep them away from the flies. And now we'll come back once our briquettes are ready. All right, now our briquettes are pretty much ready. So we'll take our chimney out. We'll put our 2 charcoal baskets together in the middle of the charcoal grate. And then we'll pour our briquettes in. Then we'll get our lid on. We'll make sure both our top and bottom vents are wide open, and we'll give our Weber a couple of minutes to preheat. All right, it's been a couple of minutes, so we'll take our lid back off. We'll get a chunk of smoking wood on. I've gone with some beautiful pecan from Natural Smoke. We'll get our cooking grate on, and we'll lay our wings around the outside of our cooking grate. Then we'll get our lid on and let these cook away. So as you've seen, we're using 2 charcoal baskets put together in the middle of that charcoal grate. We basically want to create some really high indirect heat, and those charcoal baskets will do a really good job. But if you want to go one step further, get yourself a kettle cone. They're designed a bit more to force all of that heat up and through that kettle cone, and they're a bit taller than charcoal baskets. They'll actually sit flush with the underside of your cooking grate, which really helps to stop any direct heat getting to the underside of your chicken wings or whatever else you're cooking. Or I've actually seen quite a few people just cut the bottom off of a stainless steel bowl to use as a kettle cone as well. So these wings are going to take around 30 to 40 minutes. If you're looking for a cooking temperature, I like to run it around 500 Fahrenheit or 260 Celsius. And every 10 minutes, I'm just going to rotate our lid, because the hottest part in our barbecue is where that heat is escaping through our lid vent. So by rotating our lid around, it means our wings are going to cook nice and even. So while our wings are cooking away, let's make a sauce to go with them. All right, so real simple. In there, we've got half a cup of sour cream. We're going to add to that 2 green jalapenos. If you're sensitive to spice, take the seeds out. We'll add around a tablespoon and a half of fresh parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, juice of half a lime, pinch of salt, and then a drizzle of olive oil. Now we can blend it up. And you can have a taste, adjust it to your liking, and then we'll put it aside until these wings are ready. All right, and after about 30 minutes, these wings are done. As you can see, they are beautiful and crispy. Now we know the safe internal temperature for chicken is that 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius, but I like to favor that crispy skin. And for wings, I'm really not fussed if they go all the way up to that 195 Fahrenheit or 90-ish degrees Celsius. So now these are done, we'll get them out. And we'll let them cool off for a couple of minutes, and then we can have a taste. All right, so I've come inside to enjoy these. Being the middle of summer in Australia, it's way too hot to be outside. Give them a dip in that beautiful sauce and have a taste. You got that crispy skin, juicy and tender meat. That sauce just complements the wings beautifully. That's so good. Now we'll try one with our homemade rub. They're so good as well. So there you have it, how to make crispy chicken wings in a Weber kettle with a jalapeno lime sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to all my YouTube members. I hope you enjoy the special perks. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of these off camera. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.